Hello scholars, welcome to today's class. In today's class, we are going to be dealing with the topic fundamental quantities. What do we call fundamental quantities? So before I give us the definition of fundamental quantities, we need to know that one of the definitions of physics is that physics is a science of measurement. Physics, it is known to be a science of measurement. What then do we measure? The things that we measure in physics, they are known to be quantities. Anything that we measure in physics, it is said to be a quantity. And we have two types of quantities. Number one, we have the fundamental quantities, and number two, we have the derived quantities. Number one, I said we have the fundamental quantities, and then number two, we have the derived quantities. But in today's class, we are going to be talking on fundamental quantities. So fundamental quantities, they are known as basic independent quantities. Fundamental quantities, they are known as basic quantities. They are known as independent quantities in which other quantities rely on or other quantities depend on. And we have just 7 examples of fundamental quantities. We have 7 examples of fundamental quantities. So like we have here on the board, we have mass, we have length, we have time, we have electric current, we have temperature, we have amount of substance, then we have luminous intensity. Quantities, they do have units, be it fundamental quantities or derived quantities. Anything that we measure, like I said earlier, they are known to be quantities, and these quantities, they have their own units. So the unit for fundamental quantities, they are said to be fundamental units. So we have fundamental quantities, and the units are said to be fundamental units. The unit of mass, it is said to be kilogram. And this is the symbol. The unit of mass, it is kilogram, and the symbol is said to be kg. The thing here is we have other units of mass. It can be in gram, but the SI unit of mass is kilogram. What do we call SI units? SI unit is known as the International System of Units. So that means the SI unit of mass, it can't be grams, it has to be kg. Then we have length. The SI unit of length, it is meter. It is said to be meter. We have other units of length. We have centimeter, we have millimeter, but the SI unit of length, it is meter. Then we have time. The SI unit of time, it is said to be second. And S is the symbol for this. We have electric current. The SI unit of electric current is said to be ampere. Capital letter A. Please mind you, this is small letter M, small letter S, and this is capital letter A. Alright. The SI unit of temperature, it is Kelvin. 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 Then we have amount of substance. Amount of substance has its SI unit to be moles. And finally, we have luminous intensity. It has its SI unit to be candela. Capital letter C, the small letter D. So these are the 7 fundamental quantities we have in physics, as well as their units. For those preparing for JAMB UTME examination, you need to know this. A question might be asked that what are the 3 most common fundamental quantities in physics? What are the 3 most common fundamental quantities in physics? They are said to be mass, length, and time. They are said to be mass, length, and time. These are said to be the 3 most common fundamental quantities in physics: mass, length, and time. In our next class, we are going to be dealing with derived quantities as well as their units. If you've enjoyed this class, do well to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much. See you in our next class.